my god, the blue asterisk is on the screen.
Yeah.
Is this on the sightings?
Yeah. It's exactly at that point where he stops. So. Should have that shit.
Yes, gotta get to that stuff.
Should I go straight?
Yeah. Just keep going straight.
Oh, drive back.
What?
It's Curtis Blast with the U-turn.
Oh shit! Get out of the way!
Oh, it's right here already. It's right here. It's right here, baby.
Content. Is it recording?
I'm recording. Yeah. 1913, baby.
Shit! I don't even see it.
172. Look, it's there.
72.
Yeah, same thing as my girlfriend's. We probably have the same level as her. Yeah, 1913. Not bad, dude.
Content.
Dude, that's not fair, man. This is like, how come I keep getting the low end of the Blastoise?
My boy here.
Ah,
Casey Case.
that's right.
Doing a collab out here.
I gotta get mine.
First catch.
What, already?
Yeah.
No way, dude. What the fuck? Hell no, I gotta get mine, dude.
Oh my god. Yo, the moves are alright.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, so. Why is this 1900? That's not
Yeah.
good.
The water gun? No bite. I don't care about it. Actually, that one's not
Bite
bad.
and ice beam.
Ah, fuck. It was better than flash cannon, I think, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I'm garbage right now. What the? Did you catch yours, Alex?
Yeah, but it was 172, man.
I know.
So sad.
Oh shit. Hey, friends.
Bros.
Because I fucking pressed the menu button when I was putting the ball on my girlfriend's phone. Damn, man. No!
Damn.
Wait, did she also get 172?
Oh, what the fuck is still there? No,
Error?
Aaron.
Damn content.
Hey, there's a war turtle around here, though.
Yeah, it's back there. You made the U-turn.
Nah, I don't care about the war turtle, but
Oh, you
fuck.
didn't get it?
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Fuck it. Didn't have hydro pump anyway. I'll tell myself that to make me feel better.